Hi. I'm here to talk to you about what are some good ways that I can rebuild my reputation at work after a huge mistake. Whenever you make a mistake, realize that you don't want to dig yourself into a deeper hole. Oftentimes, by poking at a wound, you end up making it worse. Sometimes, it's better just to let it heal over on its own. And that means, if you made a huge mistake previously in your work, just keep going and do your job the best you can. Basically, if someone references it, you can identify how you fixed it. And, day in and day out, you just go ahead and rebuild your credibility, because all you can do is just show that it was a one-time bump in the road and not something you normally do. It'll take a little bit of time to regain your lost credibility, but if you are able to recreate the track record of success and commitment and doing well, ultimately, you will be able to do fine. And the mistake would be just water under the bridge. Hope you've found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.